This video is best viewed in 4K. This is Kaminarimon, the giant outer gate of this famous Sensoji Temple. Today we are exploring the famous Asakusa area in Tokyo. Stick around as I show you scenes during the day and night. Let's start by how to get to Asakusa in case you want to visit. From Tokyo Station, get on the JR Yamanote Line to Kanda Station, and then jump on the Ginza Subway Line to Asakusa, which is about 12 minutes total. This is the famous Nakamise shopping street that spans about 250 meters from Kaminarimon to the grounds of Sensoji Temple. It is lined with more than 50 shops selling local specialties that are great places for buying gifts for your loved ones. Now, let's talk about Hozomon Gate. After going through Nakamise-dori street of Sensoji Temple, you'll find the Hozomon Gate in front of the main hall. The original gateway was built in 942, but it was damaged by fire. It was later rebuilt in 1964. It's worthwhile seeing the gate that holds Neo statues on either side and has huge lantern in the middle. It used to be named Niomon because of the two Buddhist statues of Neo acting as guardians. However, during the restoration work, a storage room to store the treasure of the Sensoji Temple was built in the house gate. So now it's called Hozomon, the treasure house gate. Giant waraji sandals dedicated in the 1940s are hung on the other side of the gate. The 4.5 meter long and 1.5 meter wide waraji sandals weigh 500 kilograms. Wow, that's a lot. Each are built to fend off evil. And now we have arrived at Sensoji Temple's main hall. In the main hall, there are two timeless classics of calligraphy by Noguchi Sekko, one of the greatest calligraphers of the Edo era in Japan, around the 1800s. This is the Omizuya. This is the water pavilion where worshippers should wash their hands and mouth as a purification ritual before approaching the main hall or building. We noticed this statue is pretty cool and a little intimidating. Off to the 5-story pagoda of Sensoji Temple. What is a pagoda, you might say? A pagoda is a Hindu or Buddhist temple, typically in the form of a many-tiered tower. The 5-story pagoda of Sensoji is a very popular sightseeing place for visitors from abroad. This 5-story pagoda is one of the most prominent in Japan. Its height is 53 meters, which is about the height of an 18-story building. It is said that the original pagoda was built in 942. This is restoration, as the original was destroyed in an air raid. In the Edo period, along with the pagodas of Kaneji, Ikegami Homonji, and Shiba-zo-joji, it is one of the 4 Edo pagodas. And here is the giant waraji sandals that we talked about before. Again, it's 4.5 meters long, 1.5 meters wide, and 500 kilograms, guys. Wow. Alright, time for a little history. The creation of Asakusa as an entertainment district during the Edo period was partially due to the adjacent district of Kuramae. Kuramae was a district with rice shops, which was then used as compensation for the officers of the feudal government. The keepers, fudasashi, of these warehouses originally processed the rice at a nominal price, but over the years started to trade the rice for money or sell it to the local shop owners, making some profit. Several fudasashi had accumulated a large amount of money, and as a result, theaters and geisha houses began to appear in neighboring Asakusa. And now for the daylight part of this video. Here we go! Asakusa has long been a major theater district in Tokyo for much of the 20th century. This area was badly devastated by US air raids during the Second World War, and the neighborhood was reconstructed after. That said, Shinjuku and other vibrant parts of the city have now overtaken Asakusa as an entertainment district. Next, let's talk about food, events, and festivals in Asakusa. Food. Asakusa has numerous restaurants and locations to try traditional Japanese cuisine. Satsumaimo, sweet potatoes, is one of the most common treats. Chikuwa kamaboko, fried fish cookies, is another unique treat. The Suzuhiro shop sells local craft beer with traditional kamaboko beer. Asakusa is also renowned for spices such as sansho. The incense burner is on the near side of the main hall. It's said that putting smoke on you is going to cure the affected part of your body. Let's try it. Second up is events. The area is renowned for its annual Brazilian-style carnival. The presence of Brazil in the local community is important, and the Association of Samba Schools of Asakusa is also based there. And third, we have festivals. While there are many festivals during the year in Asakusa, the most famous one of them is the Sanja Matsuri, also known as the May Sanja Festival. In this festival, mikoshi, which are portable shrines, and the floats are dragged across the streets while noisy yelling surrounds them. And over the 3 days of the festival, 1.5 million people come out to celebrate. Alright, I have a challenge for you. Coming up, see if you can find 2 figures sitting on the rooftops. Hint, one is holding an umbrella. Good luck! Alright, that was a lot of information. Let's get some coffee. I'm Paul, your host. Don't forget to subscribe, comment if you like this video, and stay tuned for the next one. You could have been anywhere on the web. Thank you for watching Made in Tokyo.